If you're trying to lose weight but you're always feeling hungry, I get it. Today I'll be showing you exactly what I eat to stay full, fueled and in shape as a busy mom. These meals are quick, high in protein and very easy to make, so let's cook and chat. I've also got a little story for you too. For women, weight gain can come from so many things. It could be pregnancy, hormonal changes, stress, or even poor sleep. Or maybe just being constantly on for everyone else. And let's be honest, most women lose the motivation to get back into shape. And that could be because we feel guilty that we're putting ourselves first. We don't even know where to start, but we're also too tired to stay consistent. I'm on a mission to grow a community of 500 mums who love to eat healthy, stay fit and live well. If that sounds like you, but you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Let's hit that goal together. I almost gave up on myself too, especially after having my girls. I just didn't feel like me anymore, but I had a few mindset shifts and that changed everything. I started seeing fitness as a way to show up for myself. I stopped chasing motivation and I built simple habits instead. I focused on meals that actually satisfied me and no more starving myself. And finally, I gave myself the permission to start small and stay consistent. Now I feel stronger, more confident, and I'm more in control, even on my busy days. Now, it wasn't easy for me either, but here's how I found the courage to get back into shape. My husband became my biggest supporter, reminding me to prioritize myself too. I prepared easy meals so I'd stop grabbing on random snacks. I started working out in the morning and that was before the house woke up. I celebrated small wins like drinking 2 liters to 3 liters of water and choosing protein. Now, I will say it wasn't perfect, but it was progress, and that's what's kept me going. Now, I would really love to hear from you. What's a health or lifestyle goal that you want to achieve that could benefit the people around you? Drop it in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. I've got new vlogs and food content coming every 2 weeks. If you found this useful, don't forget to share this with someone or a few people. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next one.